Welcome back in Sai Academy once again. I am Mr. Awad sir. Welcome to my YouTube channel English for You. Don't forget to subscribe my channel English for You. Today we are learn about 10th English workshop 3.1. The name of the poem is Eve, written by Rudyard Kipling. English workshop. Question number 1. Read the following bits of advice and state whether you agree or disagree with them. Given here there is the table advice, agree and disagree. Number 1. Get angry when others commit mistakes, disagree. Keep friendship with all classes of people, agree. Run away from troubles, disagree. Hate the rich people and help the poor, disagree. Get angry when others blame on us, disagree. Reconstruct something we have built with care even if it has been broken by others, agree. Question number 2. Pick out and enlist the positive and negative qualities from the poem in the respective column. The first column is positive qualities and second is negative qualities. Positive qualities there are here. Number 1, keep your head, and negative qualities, lose your head. Positive qualities, trust yourself, be truthful, be smart. And the next table given is negative qualities, doubt others, deal in lies, give way to hating. Question number 3 is given here. Why do the lines in the poem begin with if you can? What effect does this have? This is the question is given here, and the answer is like this. The line in the poem begins with if you can because the poet instinctively wants to emphasize the importance of good advice and attract his son's attention to every piece of advice given by him. The repetition of the line has musical effect. That is the answer of question number 3 is here. Number 4 question. Look at the use of opposite reaction in the poem. For example, if you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs. Find 4 other such opposite reactions from the poem. Note them down in your notebook. Opposite qualities in the poem given here. Answer. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you. If neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you. If all men count with you but none too much. Or being hated, don't give way to hating. Question number 5 is here. 5a. Say what? What are the 2 impostors? Answer. Triumphs and disaster. What can the unforgiving minute be made up of? 60-second worth of distance run. Question 5a and question 5b. Say who? Who should you trust when doubted? Answer. Yourself. Who can you talk with and walk with? Answer. Crowds and kings. Like this is the question B here. Question number C. When can the earth become yours? Answer आहे when we can make good use of every single minute. When you should start rebuilding with old tools. Answer. When you watch the things you give your life to broken. That is the answer of question C. Say when. And question number D is here. Say why. Why do now twist the truth? Answer. To make a trap for fools. Why should you consider all men equally important? Answer. Because neither foe nor friend can hurt you. This is the question of D is here. Say why. And question number 6 is here. What should be our attitude towards people of different strata and classes? And that is the answer is given here. Our attitude toward the people of different strata and classes should be positive and fair. We should treat all of them equally. We should not discriminate them on the ground of race, gender, or religion. We may keep company with the rich, but at the same time, you connect with the common man and the poor. This is the question of 6, and answer is given here. Question number 7, and that is what, according to Rudyard Kipling, is the highest quality that makes a man a true human being? And that is answer is given here of question number 7. According to Rudyard Kipling, treating all people equally without any discrimination is the highest quality that makes a man true human beings. Question number 8. Identify the figure of speech used from those given in the bracket: simile, repetition, antithesis, personification, metaphor, alliteration, and apostrophe. Given is the figure of speech in the bracket. Number A. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs, the name of the figure of speech is antithesis. B. If you can meet the triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, personification. C. And yet don't look too good nor talk twice, repetition. D. With worn out tools, and that is alliteration. Language study is given here. Complete the following sentences. Number A. If I like it, I will buy it. Question B. If it rains, I will not go to the market. Question number C. If you start immediately, you would catch the train. And D. If she had obeyed her parents, she would have been a successful lawyer. Like this. Question number 2. Pick out lines that contain the following figure of speech. Number A. Antithesis, opposite ideas. If neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you. B. Personification. If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same. Question C. Repetition. And yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. D. Metaphor. Twisted by nouns to make a trap for fools. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.